हेलो सेकेंड इयर स्टूडेंट्स माने तमे मोबाइल जो देखुच मो राउतराय क्लासेस को तमे जदि सब्सक्राइब करने तमे जो मु लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आउ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन दउची तमरो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को सेगुडा सब देखि परिबो। ओके, तेणु बारंबार कहि दउची तमे देखियो चेष्टा करिवो, देखिले बुझी परिबो, जदि न बुझेला मते कमेंट माध्यम रे जणाइबो। तेणु सब्सक्राइब करिवो, शेयर करिवो आउ चेष्टा करिवो देखिया पे। ओके, now define कौन करिया ना रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर। रेजिस्टेंस कौन? साधारण अर्थ रे रेजिस्टेंस होची प्रतिरोध। प्रतिरोध माने अटकेबा। गोटे कंडक्टर मु नेली, करंट फ्लो हैला, ए करंट फ्लो को जे अटकेबो ता ना होची रेजिस्टेंस। सो रेजिस्टेंस इज डिफाइंड एज रेजिस्टेंस is defined as कौन तार संज्ञा? the opposition ऑफर करिबो माने कौन? शो करिबो, देखैबो, ऑपोजिशन दबो, ऑफर टू द फ्लो ऑफ करंट फ्लो को फ्लो ऑफ करंट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। तेणु गोटे कंडक्टर रे इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को जे अटकेबो, फ्लो हवा को दबो नाही, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर रेजिस्टेंस। सो रेजिस्टेंस इज डिफाइंड एज द ऑपोजिशन ऑफर्ड टू द फ्लो ऑफ अ करंट। इट इज R symbolic your small r you can take, and this is your capital R, resistance simple. Unit, SI unit is ohm, your symbolic like this. Okay, dimensional formula if you find dimensional formula for resistance. Where is resistance? Resistance is equal to your V by I, you know from Ohm's law. So V is equal to potential, this is equal to your current. If you find a dimensional formula, you find dimensional formula for potential. Potential you know work done per unit charge divided by I. This is equal to W by QI. Okay. You see W is equal to mass into acceleration, force into displacement. That is equal to force is equal to mass into acceleration into displacement. That is equal to L square. That is equal to your W by Q is equal to IT into I. So this is equal to M L square T to the power minus 2 I square. That is equal to dimension formula ampere square. This is equal to T, capital T. Finally, you simplify it, M to the power 1 L square, next T to the power minus 3, this is A to the power minus 2. This is equal to dimensional formula for resistance. So if you want to memorize it by learning, but again and again you cannot remember. You first you learn how to find it. You remember the formula, R is equal to V by I, V is equal to W by Q, that is potential is equal to work done per unit charge, then W is equal to here W, then Q is here, that is equal to QI. W is equal to work done dimension formula is this, then Q is equal to IT into I, that is equal to I square, that is equal to A square, and capital T. Then simplify by M to the power 1 L square, T you take of numerator, that is T to the power 1, here T to the power minus T, then A take numerator A to the power 2 means A to the power minus 2. Okay. Next, come to your part. Now, resistance is directly proportional to length of a conductor. What a conductor length जदि हमें चिंता करिबा, this is equal to AB, this is equal to length. So when length increases, resistance increases. So it is directly proportional. Then resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. If you combine it, then R is proportional to L by A. R is equal to rho. This is equal to your resistivity of the conductor, L by A. Okay. So short question will come. What is the resistivity? You see, resistivity is equal to RA. Resistivity is equal to RA by L. So this is equal to, if you take L is equal to 1, L is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, therefore length is 1 meter, your area is 1, then this is equal to resistivity is equal to R. So resistivity of a conductor or specific resistance is defined as the resistance of a to the flow of a current. Current flow को अटकेइबो केतेबेले जेतेबेले लेंथ यूनिट हेतिबो आउ क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया 1 हेतिबो सेतेबेले रेजिस्टिविटी हेजिबो रेजिस्टेंस. So this is the definition. So definition of resistivity, it is defined as resistance of the conductor, resistance of conductor per unit length and unit area. यूनिट एरिया रे यूनिट लेंथ रे केते ऑफर करिवो रेजिस्टेंस तार से केते करंट को अपोज करिवो, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द कंडक्टर. एंड रेजिस्टिविटी डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द कंडक्टर. नेचर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विल कम, you remember this. Resistivity or specific resistance depends on nature of the conductor. Nature means copper different resistivity, aluminum different resistivity, like this. That is, aluminum means fixed resistivity, copper means fixed. Okay, next, unit of resistivity. You see, resistivity is equal to RA by L. R is equal to resistance ohm. This is equal to area meter square divided by length is equal to meter. Meter 1 cancel. This is equal to ohm meter. Ohm into meter, you remember SI unit of resistivity. Okay. Dimension formula if you find, you see, dimension formula if you find, dimension formula. This is equal to R. This is equal to A by L. This is equal to R. A is equal to area, that is L square by L. 1 L cancel. This is equal to R L. Just आ पूर्व वीडियो रे मु छाड़ी छी R रो डायमेंशन फार्मूला ता सहित L ता इनटू कर दबो, देन यू गेट द डायमेंशन फार्मूला ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी. क्लियर पारिबो तो ट्राई करबो. नेक्स्ट, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. Combination of resistance. You see, what is the combination? Means connection. Connection काहेकि तमे रेजिस्टेंस रो करिवो, तमर जेतिक रेजिस्टेंस दरकार सेतिक जदी तमर दुकान रे अवेलेबल हला नै बा जो मेकानिक तमर इंस्ट्रूमेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट सजाइयो चाहियो सेतिक रेजिस्टेंस नाही. तेनु सेते बेले दुईटा तीनटा चारटा रेजिस्टेंस को हम कोन करियो पड़ियो, कंबाइन करियो पड़ियो. So to get a required amount of resistance, we have to combine a number of resistances, which is called your combination of resistance. Clear? How to connect? It is two types. That is, combination is two types. One is series combination. Second is parallel combination. Okay? ताले रेजिस्टेंस रो कनेक्शन पाई गोटे सीरीज अछि, गोटे पैरेलल अछि. फर्स्ट आसी हमें सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. You see, resistance is your circuit, symbol is like this. This is called your R1. This N to another, this is called to your R2. Like this, you have to take your N resistors, Rn. You see, this one, this is called to V1, this is called to V2. Potential difference. Just series combination asibo, potential difference अलग asibo. You have to remember it. Then this is called to your Vn. Now you connect your with battery. Clear? PD. This is called to your plus. Current will flow from positive to negative. When current flow, then the resistance will come. Opposition. Current flow hele to taku oppose karibo. Current jodi nahi tale opposition ke karibo. Okay? So you remember in series combination, end to end, first end to second end, second to third end. In this way, if you connect it, then it is called series combination. In series combination, PD is differ. This is called your applied PD, and this is called your different. This V is divided into V1, V2, Vn, and current is same. Okay, समस्तर current समान रहिबो किंतु potential difference अलग रहबो. So in which combination your PD is different? In series combination, PD is different. So you have to remember, when PD is different in a combination of resistances, then it must be series combination. Clear? So in series combination, you take what is the different? PD is different. So you take V total applied PD is equal to V1 plus V2 up to Vn. Then you know Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Ohm's law what? R is equal to V by I. So V is equal to IR. You find V because you have to put here V. So V is equal to IR. R is equal to total resistance. So V1 is equal to IR1. Current is same. V2 is equal to IR2. Up to Vn is equal to IRn. Okay. Now you see, put here the values of V, V1, V2 up to Vn. V is equal to your IR. R is equal to equivalent resistance or total resistance. This is equal to IR1 plus IR2 up to IRn. You take common your I. Here I. So I is equal to R1 plus R2 up to Rn. Okay. You see, here I cancel. So R is equal to R1 plus R2 up to Rn. If you combine the two resistance, then equivalent resistance R1 plus R2. If you write three connection, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3. In this way, you can find the total resistance or equivalent resistance of the circuit is equal to algebraic sum of resistances. Clear? This is called your general formula in series combination. Okay? Then come to your parallel combination. You see, what is parallel combination? You see, this is a resistance. Okay? One resistor is equal to R1. Another one is here. You see, this end is connected to this end of R1. And this end is connected to this end. If you take another one, you connect here. You connect here. Okay? In this way, you take n number of resistors. You see, this is equal to R1, this is equal to your R2, this is equal to R3, this is equal to Rn. All the resistors, one end are connected at one end. समस्तर देख गोटे मुंड लेफ्ट साइड टा ए पॉइंट रे जोड़ा है आर मुंड टा छाड़ी दियो आर मुंड गुड़ाक सब गुड़ाक गोटे कर दियो कोड जोड़िबो आर पॉइंट रे दिस टाइप ऑफ कनेक्शन इज कॉल्ड योर पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन देन यू सप्लाई योर बैटरी ओके दिस इज कॉल्ड करंट फ्लो पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव दिस इज कॉल्ड टू टोटल पीडी you see PD is here PD is supply R1 R2 R3 up to Rn. So total V means applied PD is same for all the resistors, no change. So change कौन आसिबो? This is called to current I1 I2 I3 up to In. So in parallel combination potential difference is same but current is different. You have to remember to find the equivalent resistance, otherwise question will be wrong. In parallel PD is same but current is different. Clear? So we take R1 R2 up to Rn are different resistances. R is equal to equivalent resistance, V is equal to applied PD, V is same, so not necessary V1 V2. Okay, then I1 I2 up to In are corresponding current. Corresponding current means resistance R1, current is equal to I1. Resistance R2, current is I2. Resistance Rn, current is In. Clear? Then you take, then you take, what is the different? Different is current. So total current I is equal to algebraic sum, because it is scalar current I1, I2 up to In. Then come to your Ohm's law. V by I is equal to your R, or I is equal to what? V by R. So I1 is equal to V is constant, R1 differ. I2 is equal to V by R2. Then up to In is equal to V by Rn. Clear? You see, the variable is current, so you find current in all cases and put here. Clear? You see, I is equal to V by R. This is equal to V by R1. This is equal to V by R2. This is equal to V by Rn. Now you take V common. This is equal to 1 by R into V. This side. V you take common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus up to 1 by Rn. You see V cancel in both sides. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 up to 1 by Rn. This is called your parallel combination. Clear? So in parallel combination, you remember current is variable, PD is constant. Most important. In series combination, PD is differ, current is same. You remember this formula. Otherwise, you cannot get the accurate equivalent resistance. Clear? Next come to, if two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. Parallel two resistances are R1 and R2. That is, you write 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If three resistors, then plus 1 by R3. Clear? Then how to find equivalent resistance when two resistors are connected in parallel? This is called, you take LCM R1 R2. This is equal to R2 plus R1. Okay, this is equal to R1. You remember 1 by R1 here. So you alter to get R. So R is equal to, you change it also, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This type of question will come. So you remember, when you find 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, then you find left side R, not 1 by R. This is the most important. पिला बहुत कौन करंदी ना एतिकरे रखी दियंती. That is total resistance is equal to this equivalent resistance. एडिटिंग मार दियंती. तेणु भूल रही जाए. तेणु बी कॉशस एथिप्रति ध्यान दबो. कौन करिवो ना लेफ्ट साइड रे तमर कोन अछि. लेफ्ट साइड रे तमर R दरकार, not 1 by R. So if left side you write R, then how to write R? Alter just, and this also alter. एपट alter करिवो माने एपट भी alter करिवो. This is the equivalent resistance. Clear? Next come to your cell. What is cell? Cell. Cell means your battery. What is battery? Battery means your energy source. जो टॉर्च बैटरी कथा आलोचना करो, रिमोट बैटरी कथा आलोचना करो. This is called the source of energy. Electric current energy, electrolyte ता देरे तमरो रिएक्शन करिवो जेतेबेले तमे सीरी कोन क्लोज कर दबो सर्किट बैटरी देकरी ताहले ताको हम कहबा सेल. So cell is the electrically used energy source. Energy जे सप्लाई करिवो in DC case, this is called your direct current case, this is called your cell. So combination of cells, you know cells has positive end, negative end. Okay, and symbolically your DC means direct current जोटा का मैं टॉर्च बैटरी कथा आलोचना करछे ताहले symbol is your positive end. You see this is called to negative end. This is the symbol of a battery. तुम हाई स्कूल जान ओके कनेक्शन ऑफ सेल्स सेल को तुम कनेक्टर कर कहीं कनेक्ट कर तुम जानी जो गोटे टर्च गोटे बैटेरी पकाउच टर्च जी लाइट दौर दीटा पकड़े बेसी आसो 3टा पकड़े बेसी आसो कहीं पीडी तुम बढ़ी ओके पीडी इज व्हाट ना स्केलर क्वांटिटी दिस इज algebraic sum so connection is necessary to get a required amount of electric energy from this cell. Connection of cells is two types, is your series combination, second is your parallel combination. Parallel. Then in case of a question may come in series combination of cells, find current. How to find current in series combination? You see what is the series combination of cells? You see this is called your first battery. This is called your positive end, this is called your negative end. Then negative connected to positive of a second cell. You see negative end but negative terminal of a first battery connect to positive terminal of a second. Similarly for third, negative of a second connect to positive of a third. In this way, if you join n number of cells, this is called your series combination. Now बर्तमान बैटेरी हो गला सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी आम पाईगले क्लोज सर्किट करदे क्लोज सर्किट आम कौन जलेबा बॉल टे चलेदबा बॉल मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस सो हियर यू यूज योर रेजिस्टेंस ओके देखो सर्किट क्लियर मीन्स क्लोज मीन्स करंट फ्लो हम ताले बैटेरी रो पॉजिटिव एंड रु नेगेटिव एंड को करंट जीवो यू नो दिस सो करंट डायरेक्शन इज लाइक दिस इज कॉल्ड टू आर okay this is called to cells cell resistance is equal to your small r this is called to small r1 small r2 small r3 this is called to rn this is called to internal resistance of cells cell मानकर समस्त रेजिस्टेंस अछि तेन सेल मानकर भी रेजिस्टेंस अछि ताको हम r1 r2 r3 लाइक दिस हम नै जिबा तमर जेते बेले एठी हम बैटरी कथा आलोचना करबा सेते बेले ईएमएफ कथा आलोचना करबा इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो हवा को हेले तमरो ईएमएफ सप्लाई हवा दरकार बैटरी ईएमएफ कोन इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स द फोर्स नेसेसरी टू ड्रिफ्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम नेगेटिव एंड टू पॉजिटिव दैट इज कॉल्ड टू ई एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड टू आल्सो सेम बैटरी ईएमएफ दिस इज कॉल्ड टू स्मॉल बैटरी दैट इज कॉल्ड टू ईएमएफ दिस इज कॉल्ड टू योर ईएमएफ सो टोटल ईएमएफ is equal to n number of cells जोड़ा है जी then this is called algebraic sum ne okay total internal resistance ताको हमें internal resistance कहबा एगुला सब internal resistance so internal resistance are in series रे तमर resistance is equal to internal resistance r नै जिबा r is equal to r1 plus r2 up to rn okay this is called your internal resistance. So current you know this is equal to current is equal to Ohm's law V is equal to IR so I is equal to V by R here V is equal to means total EMF that is NE divided by R total resistance you see this is equal to external resistance and this is equal to your internal resistance. This is called your in series that is called to external resistance plus total internal resistance. This is called to R plus R. This is called to your current. Is C another one R1 R2 up to Rn are equal then this is called n times n of R. So here this is called to NR. You remember it. टोटल रेजिस्टेंस एटा को हमें नहीं जीवा कैपिटल R1 ओके दिस इक्वल टू R1 plus R2 if this is equal to all are equal this are you see this battery ये समस्त को रेजिस्टेंस समान हमें नहीं जीवा जो मुने छी R सेटा को R1 कर दबा, R2 कर दबा, R3 Rn. This is equal to simple R. So this is equal to your R, this is equal to R, this is equal to R. Ketata R? N R. So this is equal to N R. If you take this is equal to R1, R2, R3, this resistance will be different. Okay? So you take R, not R1, this not R2, this is equal to R. So total resistance is equal to NR. So R plus NR. You see, if R is very less than NR, external resistance very small हो गला, तले इटा को जीरो कर देला. जीरो कर देले कौन होबो? I is equal to NE by NR. This cancel, that is E by R. गोटे बैटरी जहाँ n number of cells से. So not useful. ये यूजफुल नुहे. ताले आमे नंबर ऑफ बैटरी काई जोड़ीबा सेति की पीडी पाइबा पई बा सेति की ईएमएफ पाइबा पई बा बेसी करंट पाइबा पई. एट तो करंट आसु नै गोटे सेल रो E by R, that is n number of जहाँ गोटे रो से तेनु not necessary. So this type of use means when external resistance is very high, this is not your useful. Okay, if R is NR, you see this NR. If NR is very less than your R, you take very less. Okay, then NR you take is equal to 0. If NR is equal to 0, you see current is equal to NE divided by R. That is equal to N times of E by R. So जेतबेले तमे गोटे लगेलो E by R, दीटा हेले 2 times of E by R, that is equal to your current. 3 हेले 3 E by R. So current will be multiple. In case of internal resistance is very less than R. Okay, clear? एटा देखिबो तमर करंट जदी तम सेल्स को सीरीज रे जोड़िबो ताले like this derivation आसीबो. आ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में कम the use and usefulness, use, not use and useful in case of a series combination of cells. Question will come in condition form. Okay, देखिबो बुझिबो आ जदी किछि चेंज करियार अछि बा कोन बुझिबार अछि मते कमेंट माध्यम जणाइबो. ओके, थैंक यू.